everyone and welcome to Lisa B. Thank you so much for joining me. Slightly different surroundings today. I'm just about to teach a class in a moment. So I just wanted to do this video because I know sciatic pain is really not pleasant for anyone. And these stretches and very gentle strengthening work can really help. Obviously I'd always say see your GP. But if you're given the go-ahead and it's okay to do these exercises, they can really help. So let's just get started. We're going to start off with some gentle twists. So come to seated. We're going to straighten the right leg, just little bend in your left leg, left hand behind you, right arm up and over, and twist throughout the whole spine. Nice easy breath. Inhale, exhale. And then just change over. Straighten the left leg, little bend in the right leg, right hand behind you, left arm up and over. Try not to be leaning back on these exercises. So we're going to lie all the way down. Let's loosen up the back a little bit. So let's take the hands away from you, turn the palms up, right leg over left. Let the knees fall to the left, look to the right. And then come back to centre, change the legs left over right, let the knees fall to the right, look to the left. And then come back to centre, and then we're just going to bring the feet to hip distance. So we're going to lift the bottom up and down just for some glute bridges. We're going to go for 10. So peel the pelvis back, peel the spine off the mat, really squeeze the glutes, so really squeeze the bottom and peel back down. And lift. There's 2, really squeezing the bottom the whole time. 3, 4, 5. So getting glute strength, building up the glute strength can really help with sciatica. Building some strength and weak glutes will really add to the problem, which isn't very nice. Keep pulling the tummy muscles in. Keep squeezing the bottom. Let's just go for 2 more. 2 and then down. So you can now fold the right ankle onto the left thigh. Keep both feet on the mat to modify. So now we're going to lift again. Single leg glute bridges. We're just going for 8. So 1, 2, 3. Trying to keep the hips level. 4. Keep pulling the tummy muscles in. 6, 7, 8, and then change over. Let's go for 8 again. 1, 2, keep breathing, try and keep the shoulders relaxed here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and relax down. And then just pull the knees into the chest. Just go for a gentle rock from side to side. And then we're going to stretch out the glutes. So again, having not just strength but the flexibility is important. So right ankle, place it onto the left thigh. You might stay there and use your hand to push this right knee away from you. Or lift the left foot, reach through, grab hold of that left shin or the hamstring. And let's just hold here. The head might need to be off the mat. It can be down if that's okay. So 5 deep breaths here. You'll feel this now on your right side, so really tell the right side to relax. Just breathe. 2 more breaths. Pulling that knee into the chest a little bit deeper. And then let's change over. So left ankle onto that right thigh, stay there, push the knee away, or if you can, lift the right foot, reach up, grab hold of that shin, and just breathe. Keep pulling that knee in for a little bit of a deeper stretch, telling the left side to relax, try not to be holding any tension. And then relax, pull your right knee in towards the right shoulder, straighten the left leg and let it relax onto the mat. Then pull that right knee over to the left and then look to the right. So really nice lower back stretch. And then come back up, bring both knees into the chest, let the right leg reach and straighten, left hand down, pull the left knee over to the right, look to the left. And just breathe. And then come to centre. And then we're going to take an inhale. Exhale, tummy muscles in. Bring the left leg into tabletop, then the right leg into tabletop. And then you're going to bring your hands a little bit away from the body. Turn the palms down to get that stability. And then let both knees fall to the left. And then look to the right. So let the knees rest all the way onto the floor. Pull the tummy muscles in, bring the knees up and over. Use the hands down onto the mat to stabilise. Knees over to the right, look to the left. And then come back up. And then we'll just roll up to this position, back to seated. So we're now going to go into some bird dogs. Again, really good just to get some strength. Well, let's do a cat-cow first. So we're going to inhale, push the spine up. Exhale, lower the belly, chest through, head up. And again, round the back, gaze down towards the legs. And then come to a nice long spine, and then you're going to inhale to lift the right arm, left leg. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. So you're doing opposite arm, opposite leg. Tummy muscles are in, and you're squeezing the bottom. Keeping the back nice and flat. It's not a leg lift. Keep pulling the tummy muscles in. Don't let your lower back collapse. We'll go for one more each side. And then we're going to stretch out our hamstring. So you're going to bring your right foot forward and then straighten that right leg. You can fold the body down. Don't force this leg straight, but just go wherever you can with this. And just again, come into the breath, drop your shoulders, breathe. Nice, easy breath. And then we're going to change over. Let's go the other side. Straighten that left leg again, folding the body down. And then come into a side lying position. So you can rest your head on your hand like so. So knees are stacked, hips are stacked. So going into the clam, so you're just going to open and close. Open and close. Keep the tummy muscles pulled in. Open and close. Let's go for 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again, just working on this glute strength. 7, 8. And then get your shins parallel with the front edge of the mat. You're going to lift the knee and ankle in a nice straight line. So don't let the knee go high, don't let the foot go high. So lift and lower. We're going for 10. 1, 2, 3. Don't let the pelvis rock back. You might want to have your hand on your hip. Tummy muscles are in. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's change over. So all the same thing on the other side. So knees on top of each other, hips rest the head. So going into the clam, so the ankles are together, tummy muscles are in. Open and close that top knee. Keep the ankles and the feet touching. 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure you're looking straight ahead. Make sure you're not looking down, because then your neck is all kind of, it's not lengthened. 6, 7. You can do this with a band, a looped band, if you've got one of those as well. It's good to build a little bit more strength. Last one. Then bringing the shins parallel to the front edge of the mat so you can see your whole thigh. Lift the knee and ankle in a nice straight line. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Should really feel this in the bottom. It should really feel like that glutes are working. 9, 10, and down. Let's add some more stretches here. So we're going to come up. So you're going to straighten the right leg, lift the left foot up and over, try and place it on the outside of that right leg, and then left hand behind you to help you sit up straight, right arm up and over if you can on the outside of this left thigh, and then look behind you. So twist throughout the whole spine, try and look behind you, try not to be leaning back, keep the spine nice and long. And then relax, and let's just, going to change over. So straighten the left leg, right foot up and over, try and place it on the outside of the left thigh, right hand behind you, left arm up and over, on the outside of that right thigh, then look behind you. And just breathe, sitting up nice and straight. And come to centre, straighten the legs. So nice long spine, take an inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold forward, keep the back long. Imagine energy coming from the crown of the head. Straighten those legs to get in a nice stretch in the hamstring. So it's not so much about folding down, it's just about really straightening these legs. Keep the shoulders relaxed. And then you're going to cross the legs. Let's just keep this moving twist. So twisting the whole spine, side to side. You're not really holding these twists for very long. Just really gentle, easy workout today. Just giving the body a little bit of love. Oh my goodness, it's Valentine's Day. I'm filming this on Valentine's Day. So this will probably be uploaded after Valentine's Day. So happy belated Valentine's Day. And then you're just going to fold forward. So just go as low as you can. Keeping the hips down, don't lift the bottom. And then come up. And then we're going to stretch out the back. One less stretch. So come into kneeling. Take your knees wide. And then fold the body down. Just go as low as you can. Melt the chest. Bring the forehead to the mat. And then coming up. Oh, and thank you so much for joining me. I hope you feel good. That was just a nice little nourishing stretch and a gentle strengthening for the body. The light keeps changing. It's really sunny, then it's not. Yeah, thank you so much for joining me. I hope to see you soon. Have a beautiful day.